Okay, so I decided to take this Arduino to the next level, and for this time what I'm gonna try to use is actually this buzzer. It's a piezoelectric buzzer, which is also known as active buzzer. There are two types of buzzers, static and active. And what I wanted to do is now play with the there is built-in function called note, which you can use, and I created a second sketch. So in Arduino world, a program would be called as a sketch. And here it is. This is the actual code. No, this is actually the other one, sorry. So this is the buzzer sketch. The output for the buzzer is going to be pin number 10, as you can see above here. And then every code basically has a setup and function and a loop. So there is an actual program called bootloader in the microcontroller of the Arduino circuit, which will be actually using the setup function in loop. So these play like APIs. And all you have to do is actually very simply using this function tone. So there is a tone function which takes basically the pin number on which it will output the tone. The tone is simply a square wave, and the note is actually the frequency. So I created a play note function which basically plays a note on the pin buzzer with a frequency note, and it will delay when it stops playing, and it will be delayed for that much same time. And then I created a second one which actually allows for changing the time here. In this case I don't change the time. I mean, this was basically because it was an old design that I created first, and then I decided to create a second one so I can create a second melody. The second melody here is simply it plays note 1, 3, then 1 again, and then 3, 3 quickly, and then the melody will be repeated. So it will be running 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, then 3, 3 quickly. And for the melody, we'll play basically these are the different notes. They have different frequencies in hertz: 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. And then the delay is fixed to 200 milliseconds. It plays 1, 2, delay 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 3, 2, 4, 5, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 2, 4, 5, and then it keeps repeating. So I'm gonna just comment the melody too and listen to that. So I'm gonna press the upload button, this one, and then we'll see what's gonna happen here. It's gonna start playing the music. So I will comment the first. And in this one, basically, it plays the different notes. And here what we play is play 1 3 1 3 3 1 3 1 3 3, and basically that's it. Now let's combine both and hear it. You see, now I'm composing music.